Junior Buddies.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for the latest update. Hello there, future aviators. Welcome back to our educational adventure. Today we have an exciting mission planned. We are going to learn how to make awesome paper airplanes. Are you ready to take flight? Let's do it. First, grab a sheet of paper. Any size will do. We are going to fold it into an amazing flying machine. Watch closely. Step 1. Fold the paper in half lengthwise like this. Make sure the edges line up perfectly. Open it up and fold the top corners down to the center crease. It should look like a triangle now. Fold the top triangle down along with the original center crease, creating a straight edge. Step 4. Now fold the top two corners inwards. Align them with the center crease. Fold the bottom triangle to upward. Fold the entire plane in half along the original center crease. Now fold the edges inwards, aligning them with the center crease. And there you have it, your very own paper airplane. Look at this beauty. Now let's give it a try and see how far it can go. Wow, that was awesome. Let's experiment with some different folds. Here's another cool folding technique. It's called the dart style. Watch closely and follow along. Look at this sleek design. It's ready for takeoff. Incredible! See how different designs can lead to different flight patterns. Experiment with your own folds and see what kind of airplanes you can create. Now it's your turn. Grab some paper and start folding. Remember, practice makes perfect. You can try different designs, sizes, and even add your own creative touches. Well, my aspiring pilots, I hope you had a blast learning how to make paper airplanes with us today. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to creativity and fun.
If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel.